Well, good morning. Just a quick visual update of the van. I'm hoping to get away this weekend. Today's Monday, and don't ask me the date. But I put this wall in the back, hoping to, like I said, I think in a few videos back, put some hooks on the back and hang my dog fence. Little access for my milk crate. My lights I'm putting in soon. I don't know if that sun's going to get us, but pretty much got that cupboard or kitchenette, whatever you want to call it, with the sink and the two burners. Halfway putting my new pump in. Just got to buy a bit of hose to go into the water tank. And I've also been working on this dog wall, and that's just to cover that gap under the sliding door so the dogs can't get out from under there. And while travelling, I'll have it up there for storage. And when I'm actually out here putting the fence and that up, I'll have this blocked off so the dogs can't get out. My awning hasn't arrived. I started my box the other day and now it's finished. And that's just on a slider. I've got to clean and screw in. I'll just close that door because the sun's coming in. Now, my underbunk air conditioner was supposed to go just here. About there, but there's too much steel in that underneath. So I'm going to go, instead of putting the max fan where I said I'd put it, around here. I've ordered an air conditioner that'll go into there. And the other big news is my brother finished my cabinet for the batteries. So if you remember from my last video, just clean this junk away. If you remember from my last video, my two 200 amp hour batteries are sitting on the wheel well carpentry, and they're under there, all safe and secure. And there's me yeah, that thing. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. And that's the inverter switch. And I've got two twin plugs. And that's the inverter switch. So once that's on, she switched over to 240. That's right, your fan's running on 240. So I don't know the American equivalent to 240. I think you call it something else. You've also got those different plugs without the switches, I believe. And inside me battery charger and my 3000 watt inverter and all the paperwork for the inverter and the switches and the monitors. That's what it is. I don't know if you can see that there. But today I'll be doing some sanding, and then this afternoon I'll try and paint. I'm going to paint it that colour, black, like a black stain. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed about that cabinetry. Not really happy about that air conditioner fitting, but I am happy that with the aircon up there and all that space is going to be free, I might be able to put the dog's bed down there. Okay, at least I'll have a choice. Oh, and my Sirocco 2 fan will go up there in the corner. Right, let's see. That way, that way. And as you can see, I've got my Adventuring with Amanda merch. Righto, I'll end it there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.